Hello modelers, today I'm going to unbox the 148 scale T34 85 by HobbyBoss. The kit comes with a 14-page instruction manual. It also includes the guides to paint your tank. It should be very helpful. It also comes with a part sheet, and you should always check this when you're buying your kits, just in case if you're missing any pieces. The kit instruction manual is pretty clear to me, and there's a lot of interior details. It should be a really fun build. It also comes with a set of waterside decals, though you couldn't see it clearly here. And it comes with some few photo etch parts and cables and clear plastic parts. Here we have the wheels. There's a lot of detail on the wheels, but there's some flashing, which it's okay. You can clear them up with your knife or a sandpaper. This kit has lots of details and very small parts, which I'm quite nervous about. It's a shame that all these details will be hidden by the hull of the tank. The overall quality of these parts are pretty good. The T34 is my favorite Russian tank, and I hope that I could build this quite well, but we'll see. Please do follow my Instagram page at Zack'sModels. I have a link down in the description below. You can see what I post on my builds. The turret has lots of details, even on the inside too. But look at that flash though. If you're enjoying my video so far, why not give me a like and share? Here we have the tracks, which they're not the rubber band tracks, but this should be a challenge for me to build since this is my first tank build. I know. It seems weird that even it's my first tank build that I should go for easier models, but let's take it as a challenge. As you can see, there's guides for building the tank tracks, so it should be easier, right? As you can see all the tons of details it has again. It's truly amazing for such a cheap kit. But look at all those thin plastic parts. I hope I don't break any of them. I think the nozzle is slide molded so that you don't have to drill it. As you can see right here. Even the gun has details. Now the hull comes in a box. I think it's to protect the hull. As you can see, it's pretty secure. There is some flashing on the hull, as you can see right back there in the vents. Right here. And I don't know, is this a molding issue or do I have to trim that off? I'm not so sure. We'll definitely have to solve that when I get to building it. I am truly excited in building this kit. I haven't built a kit in such a long time. Though when I was like around 12 to 14, I used to build Gundam kits. So I do have some experience. And I hope it'll be that great. But anyways, thanks for watching my video. And please be sure to like, subscribe, and share it around. Thanks.